Hi guys, welcome to Chocolate Bill Bangkok. So here we are for our cross-cultural. It's take last April. So this is my second time. I have been here last September 2023 and for my second time here is April. So we visit again for the chocolate bill. So we're happy together with my igniters, with the blessed Jude, Grace, Giselle, Rennie, Pastor Jules, Ate Olive, Mambi, Kuya Ron, and in-enjoy po namin yung kanilang mga lights. Napakaganda guys ng mga pailaw dito. Swak na swak for this December. Ng Pasko, kumukuti-kutita, bumibusi-busilak ang pailaw nila dito. Yan, kung makikita nyo, sobrang ganda dito. It's so relaxing. Together with your friends, family. So, pwede nyo pong dalhin dito. This is a theme park. Yan, maganda talaga yung mga pailaw niya. So, yung may mga katubigan dyan na pwede nyo kayong mag-relax. Ayan, may mga fountain. And, ayan, look at that one. It's not a fountain. It looks like a falls. Ayan, napakaganda dyan na mag-moment, na mag-picture together with your loved ones. Ayan, It's nasa entrance po yan ng Chocolate Bill ng Bangkok. So makita nyo, napakaganda. Swak na swak ngayong December na pasyalan nyo. I don't know kung ano po yung theme nila kasi that time nung pumunta kami is Candyland. So yung theme nila is candy. So napakaganda talaga ng kanilang mga decorations and pailaw. Ayan, mai-enjoy nyo iikutin ang buong Chocolate Bill. And the entrance is only 100 baht. And may free kayong popcorn or ice cream. So, yan ay nasa labas lang yan. Sa entrance lang yan. Kung papasukin nyo yan, hanggang sa pinakadulo, dyan yung mawi-witness ang napakaganda. Ayan, medyo malawak, magandang ambience, may food, may tugtugan din. Ayan, may mga nag-perform din sila dyan. Ayan yung mga kasamahan ko na nag-enjoy para magpa-picture. Pang Instagram po ba? Ayan, si Bear. Nagpa-picture kami dito kay Bear. Ayan yung kumukulong tubig. No, it's not kumukulong. It's a fountain na nakakapag-relax yung marinig mo yung kanilang tunog ng tubig. So, ayan yung pinaka-highlights na ginawa sa akin ni Grace, ni Teacher Grace. Yan, binidyohan niya ako dyan sa napakagandang sasakyan. Yan, pastel color because of the Candyland theme. Napakaganda ng kulay ng sasakyan. Napakaganda ng gulong. And I'm so very happy that moment. Kasi para lang akong batang paslit. And kung gusto nyo magbalik bata guys, pumunta lang kayo dyan. Batang isip ba? Ayan. And proudly present the Igniters. Teacher Grace. And also Teacher Grace, the Gandara. And next is Giselle, the lovely woman. And the youngest. Hindi ko alam kung ano ginagawa niya dyan. May winiwisik-wisik siya guys. Ayan, kung makikita nyo yung dun sa pinakagilid dyan guys. We are so happy. Nakita mo talaga yung Chocolate Bill. So, ipinopromote ko siya. So, in-encourage ko ang everyone, kung sino man po ang makabisita ng Bangkok. you try to visit the Chocolate Vale, may enjoy nyo siya guys. Especially kung kasama nyo yung mga anak nyo, yung friends nyo, it's a bonding time. Na-enjoy po kasi namin dyan. And that time po kasi is Songkran, last April. So, mayroon kami dyang mga water gun. Because it's free nung kami ay pumasok. So, that's why yan ang ginagawa namin na nagbaril-barilan together with a water gun. Yan. Sobrang enjoy at nabasa kami. Pero yung tubig guys, malinis yan ha. Kasi dun yun namin kinukuha sa toilet. Dun kami sa faucet kumukuha ng water. Yan, kung makita nyo dyan, nabasa kami because of the water. Siyempre, dahil tubig, bababasa ka talaga guys. Ayan, na-enjoy po namin yung magbaril-barilan. Batang isip, bumalik sa pagkabatang isip. So, ayan, napakaganda ng mga pailaw. Ayan. Si Pastor Jules, isa sa mga pastors na very cool. Ayan. And magsi-celebrate siya that time ng birthday niya kinaumagahan. So, na-enjoy namin yung birthday niya ni Pastor Jules. Ayan. Thank you so much, Pastor Jules, for your companion. Na very cool talaga. And also, together with Ate Olive and Mayor Kuya Ron, thank you for the companion and also Ma'am Biyaya. So, look guys, na-enjoy talaga namin yung batang isip. Pagbabatang isip. Ayan si Bear. Ayan, tumakbo siya. Nagalit sa amin. But the other bear here, ayan, dyan kami nagpa-picture together with Ma'am B. Ayan. Na-enjoy namin yung magpa-picture dyan. The other bear, yan na yung picture moment namin, Pastor Jules and me, and also Jude, Teacher Grace, Giselle, and Rennie. Tumakbo talaga dyan si Ren. So, enjoy much. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for everyone. God bless us all. God bless.